So na fi ya behwe say asema papa yi ken opeso chese na baby kura him fa na wo sisi okay
you know the way this guy is talking e wa gudruzi ye pe na chine so wo dwane afri ni fie
ato ebire
we be ma me ada police for so makoka say yi wo mo ba yi me catch him say me a weekend Friday Monday meba Monday I went there
in self presentation
yeah in the ozu aje we be ma da ofie was it June 16 Friday which means say me I wonder how much NDC has given this guy to disgrace himself like that.
Seriously?
Yeah, I wonder how much NDC has paid him to disgrace himself like that. It's a shame. Now, I suffer from the minyayu, betumusu sapapa. Because when you have these people using the name of God,
they shall come.
Yeah, I have a problem. Because in Yankopon in the Casa, Yankopon in the Casa, and in Yankopon in Okasa, second Agyapong. So I don't know financier to MPP in Tikasachiro. He didn't complete it. Yankopon a Casachiro second Agyapong was see where financier. And also about Parliament. Parliament over the Asana Kachire. If indeed you saw me, Parliament at the Asana Kachire. Obaso who say June a bad a year, Moankasa, Monamoye, June 4. Moanam judges, June 30th. Was also your NDC near check your records. Judges say who ye June 4th near see ye. Then never be Jiraka Agyapong June 16th. You should be blessed to have somebody like me in your family. And call mommy Jimmy to say who Jimmy. Are you sure you're a pastor? I will deal with you. Or no say or mini me. Me say that I be soon die no mam you. They say obi nim da dapa because when you be a bail ade am yakwa we work na obedwan no no grad ye umbeche no ntem yeah you know what
so ono no see as borders nya close
yeah
so ono so need to know where going
Ghana enkran ya we esopa ba do nkwa ha me ma wenne copy Friday ubo so nkwa ha o papa na oti won sika krom ya chiwa mehwe ne mahama betimi abe. Let's see what Mahama can do for you. You bet so. Uchumuta, you bet you. Yanchua me, I got my guys here to come and take you to the police. Now, say, me na nana kind was so bad you bloody. So your history about June 4th, June 16th, or June 16th about
it's not great.
If you have somebody like me, once in your own day, you know what me to so. Unipa would mean answer. These are his words. Unipa would mean answer when people in Agyapong. Now you turn around and talk trash. But Utum say he has failed in life. We hear in the Bible, you could have handkerchief called the as we zoom line of what truck. Yeah, that's the way he looks.
With the greatest respect to Zoom line drivers, we are good.
Omu drivers, omu timu out to say, omu brepa, omu team free tin. No be na we akwano. We hear the Bible in the table, baby, or tea, and the curtains be unnecessary. We were useless. Nobody should pay him any money. But media, what's what meaning? You're ready. You can never intimidate me in this country. I will fight you well. Now be who the exposure. When you are ready, who information ban neighbor.
Plenty.
No, was you. Unia sorry. Into a friend and will be preaching.
So evangelist.
Now Shem come. Emma Mahama's no problem. Now so for dini guess. Linda Mahama. Unim Nigel Udi Linda no. Oh. What I mean for last name is also Mahama girl name friend Linda now come to me. So Nigel Udi no. Adia me ye Nigel Gaisie no. Or no so. Yeah, very evil guy, Nigel Gaisie. Now I don't know what Mahama wants on this earth. Nyankopon at the President Mahama a dream. You allow this idiot to deceive you. Nigel Gaisie. Mahama tieni ene. Girls are etwa ho ahia. Wo mu na de Wonsem ko ena Nigel Gaisie dey prophecy abeji skapru. He is not man of God. He's not. And the revelation I'm going to give you, Ube said, onye man of God. Na akwawe oni obabi ko Gambia. Okoji aduro.
Yeah.
Mo sa ayi no ho.
Ye wo ho.
Mo
Yes.
Nigel Gaisie. Osori obe di akufu ado atem o ni fie o de mahama si ho and o de akufu ado asi ho. Oko Israel sword bi odba no de awo akufu ado bo.
Sick pa.
Yeah. We fake.
Yes, odom pictures me no esisi ho.
Yeah. No de awo eh. Now what Timmy asset one of the boys or follow out this obi nim
Yeah.
Was setting up. And this guy were worse than Obini because one man guy no girlfriend what shot the Bemba naked picture and I was saying ya come boy no was saying ya come boy ni brother and was saying ya come boy ni mommy Nigel Gaisie. That is what where if you know Keofori
The Oton Iron Ross.
Oton Iron Ross the ma wo uponguru wo dada no na wo gi because wo call wo ti Taifa and na wo ti wo ko gi aduro wo Gambia aye ka kire say no yire na and wo tu Taifa ho wo tu ye obetena wa son fi ya chimota ho na ade mattress sa wo di girls no
Office ho.
yes we are mebo girls ni nyina din but what is your own lifestyle. I don't have a problem. But wo se we soft. Wo na odi akufu ado atem. And na gina yie. Sa Nigel Gaisie oko Gambia mommo oba no de
Great. Afi listeners and viewers, if I see a bo recording it na wo hwe ade. Sa nkomo ya oba betie eye enkomo a akoso ewo efidie bi so Neat FM oho ena ma me kodi enkomo bi a sa nkomo one abranti a efre no Pakwesi mespa enkomo no ma me no ekirikiri mu se one sa osofo etu anamo bi anamo no se de Kennedy kan na bebi omko wurawura ne nsam eye bupuja epese edi we to ho na wa wo hwe na wutie ansa na ya ba beto enkomo so studio. Take a listen to this.
Okwenum enipe oranka say fie ni para sanity asem ba yi meme to me na sisunti de esiyok erfeme e wo show no so say adenti say me pese asem ne ba ye no makata so mu asem pese me tabi demo ha esiyok eno me ka say asem ni na no enti ama born again. Yes, I will see you. It's in the house. Still born again. Born again. Ama. Akwaba. American girl. American girl. American boy. American nigga. No, never to say. Oh, Christo Adum. Yes, was Shemidin. It has to tell us. Ama. When the Gaisie, you say, Nigel Gaisie, no, the guy in the new face, he can get me. And the crow will mutter say, oh, your people know. You, but when about the saying, and I feel Ceciano, social media, a trendy Nigel, Nigel. Yes, Nigel Gaisie. Also, one number, huh? Ade. Yo, mitia minuanu etie fo mutie me Christopher nyina ne nkremofo bibia wo tie me se enchia kese efi Yesu Kristo emu na medema obibia medama asese me koye masate me nka wa ha bium meda asepa asemu ya webisa mi wabo audio no wetie na se ubekaya a enye enene first time amaba ni tesho maba ha besin na me baye no na me ka kwan anya me fa so a wo de gye me yes enti na me ka senka emenda ho ma me na me mo asofuo binum din enye se me ka se me sei obi o but me ka se wo be ya hweyie na wo ka se wo kosum nya me ne edi detone eniema bi egugugugu so na ebeba se nya me sum na wo kwakosum mu na beda ni beyie but ekwan amba ma me sa na ne ekoba ene se one day bi me ba ha ana me hu ne billboard ana me ka se pa crash bi de me ka na me hu no oni nkrofo bi ye ayi enti ye kom na me si jajaja ma me bo ne din na boy no o ya azan on say yen Exp0sed no ye problem ba ko ne say no kreka no eye ye hu sisi awusro so be ka no kra so obi be bo utuo obi be kun enti ye hwe se no kra no nko na ye mfa atro no enko ye nim ana se ye mfa ndi ye emmoa se nyame ageme na menim se wo pa wo so wo nye na me fra kokwa mu se krati masakra unti bebi a me de okwa me fa wo nko biem na wo se wo dia wo nji ntum na ne wo ye na obekọso aya emema be kwan meka audio no tiye asam ne ko ba se audio ni mu no obehia me o Gambia ene ye nyina me bedru ha me be friend se me jimi sika no o deny many pray because me no enkoye sumasigwa na ye bedru han mu a wo se wo ni me enti emra me bra friend say okay ye metena ase ne enka asem no me okache me say okache nana ya osafo say me di atro ni me na ye boapayo ye bo me pa na ma be gisika woni ho okay se me po bia gisika woni ho a Danka Williams no mu ni mpanyifo atitrufo bi no mu ho na wo de me ye dan ana me nimu wo nso a me ntimi nsore enka se wo de meka enti na ekoshi aye no se wo chichiri kontompo kutu se wo de komo tia me ko na woni ho a esun ebe so akozi se obe chama na ba ampa me ko ye no afa hu me pe no jitu mu se oh me hu ni da enti ho na ye de tena ase ene ye de ka asem ni nyina bre ewo vision 1 unity house ho premises wa enti reverend na ya osafo na mbe asem ni kosi ni nan so ampa anya ni de kire se se masakra na obi de meka se oje ni sika de mame masakra sika ne de nsakra ye enampa ode ne ho gi mu maame ene ye ka asem no ho no kra na o deny enam so deny he evidence ne kuta me no wo manfa wan kwa so mesifie wo manfa wan kwa ha wo manfa wan kwa se nti se na nsam ne ba no na sofo aye ward ena ekoba se reverend na ya osafo se wo de ye ntwa so pa chew sofo pa chew betua na wuntia ena se o metua $2,000 ena se kwasa wo be se dwa wanum wo betua me se me fe me $500 enti ekoba ene se okọ sign check no ena de buy oba pe na oba ma no so se mami mo obi ehu check no na se reason 20 na oka say mami mo bie na check ne ya sorry check ampa na kura me na me hwesa na on say fane se masakra o nyame honhom timi mu enti ete san ya nyame honhom ne me kasa na me tire ho kire obi o kina asem nti o se o boa unim guy no na me se me nim guy no okay check me nie o te ase enti ho no na ya de to nchen ani say ye di na emu ana okọ ni ayi ni mi ko she be bi kakra na mbae e ba ya se yo se e bo na ewu on na hye nkom e na den ensem e na hey e na fan ko si na me se debi o Ghana sofo binum no me ama born again minimum stories no se minimum na say up to now no o attitude ni usuban bi kire se won sakra ya adegada na wo use no ene meka amobi ehu adegodi a wo use and in fact me hi na enu achi comment bi no mu ne sensem na we bewu na we be say na me tira ma adwen say first audio am ye na nya no ni o me tira ma adwen say ne asofo bi num eka we bewu we yewu me na me kan say we bewu na we wu ye no simple as abc sa nyankomade no ma ye bida odi akokọ eko bosom na wuti hyase na wape nipa no ekredin say ye me ama wape me kredin o de akọ o se aforebo amede bre wunie onipa sa wupe moja entije na wo bo ama na wukura akokọ no na wo so je na wo ka nyankomade na o hyase na ye ya ma wo west bi a wo be ka no na wo ka na wo kura akokọ na de kire bosom ne so se ya na akokọ ne kura wa na wewu enti ho no somebody can be wa ha be sin me ama o days bi within that shortest time no we film ti say free mu a me nkom sha me kan na eden abem enti sa kwan we no mo dey fast nti audio first am ye me say so mo ka so mo obi bewu na obi wu a bebre na ya tro enti
just as me try na just be no amana
mkokumom enti se wahu se obi bewu.
Great, welcome back. Voice here with you, your software and the picture dancing, and a man means so or dancing. If I'm a born again. Now, my main control self audio recording a boy program we call so Neat FM. I radio station under Despite group of companies, Neat FM. Ura Parkway C, Mespa, and a host too, Miami Way. Yes. Ken, here we are.
Good. Say, mutie.
Recordings.
No.
Yeah.
Maame no a oni Nigel Gaisie ko Gambia. Okoji eduru a wodi beye na sori wo Ghana. Na obaaye ontua ne ka ompese otua ne ko pretend kura se onimu no.
So the
maame no onim se maame no wo pictures ene ndi odi ko kire pa kwesi miss part ne yi. Emra odi pictures ne kire pe hwa na Nigel Gaisie ebuku to dwi. E pacho. We were your sofu. We were sofu. But I'm say, mammy need voice in tea. Or can ubia etienne. Or can no correct, but ubia and tieno. And I still and confor a cosa anyway. I'm sorry. We fake. What do you fake? He said, Nika ash. Now President Mahama man another car. Or boy President Mahama.
But I say we see. I say we see.
Yeah, but on the car be anshi. Or make a baby a car and she any car. My challenge, you know.
So former President Mahama man cars.
Yeah. Omeka obwa opese otwanwa. Here President Mahama information or the men nyina. President Mahama ho nkofo ene ko kansem ne kire na Agyapong ene odi hyenkom agiska owi anu amomu bi. That's what he does. Untie ba ko isi apia stadium. Apia stadium kotie oni Reverend Usubempa edi nkomona. Reverend Usubempa kase the way MPP 4C handle woman when here umbelusu 2020. Nana Nigel Gaisie di kan aka kire Mahama se obewini 2020. Inti emra apia stadium aka assembly kire petrom no and what call Fred Mahama. I've told you are going to win. Usubempa has even confirmed. Near Tiaman, boom.
Nigel Gaisie.
Yes. Yes.
Question come.
Yeah, question come.
Wow.
O see here 2020. One Timmy, Mama Mahama Munia, what's on the big? Because nobody will believe you again. In Tiania, in Rona Oko 2 or Gambia, Fabra. Now this young boy, we share the pictures and say, kind of 1 month, so they are sick. Very, very sick. To go out with this guy. Hadiana Mupe. Si cap sen kwan or the mama. Ko shinia or no feki. Ekojika free Mahama. Yeah? In some okanyina about easy. It's given to him by Mugabe.
Mugabe Marseille.
Yes, Mugabe. Easy unsam nyina ono okochichire enema and home dia ko peska. Me catch Mahama. You have to be careful with Nigel Gaisie. Wow. We're a prophet of doom. Or do peska. Osani wow girlfriends nso oni bi da. Ono mo da. Wo sa Linda no a ukoji ni car. Car na Mahama atama no a wo ukoji ye wo Nigel Gaisie. Eji car. What did you do? E dey asem the see. Nigel Gaisie Madel, come and tell Ghanaians. Oh yes of. O sori we die kufu ado atemu kasa. Wonto to bon ko. Very evil guy. What you say? Very evil guy. Wo ema wo ni omuda domi. O doctor o domi. E ho na akoya abortion. Wo do obeti say be see from Kuada aircon. E ho e na akoya abortion. They catch no plane. We know what you do. Na nia ya wo mpa ni say mommo ewura no so na ema so eduru ba bia menim adwen esi wo mtrim wonim se ade wei forever and never unware a untimi nware na Gaisie any osofo bi wo problem osofo kakra e ti say obi nimdie ni bi say ni omudi omu guess ni yina Nigel Gaisie ni Osofo Kakra no wɔ problem because Osofo Kakra no has a lot of information on Nigel Gaisie. Into a fool say eba out to begu n'anim ase. So he has to blackmail the boy first. And he oni girl no da ni boyfriend na mani ba ni fie na wo ba besia. Wo no boyfriend da na wa record no. I've seen the naked pictures. Boy, no, any na sex every what the tissue, a paper, the bear man. Nigel Gaisie sent the thing to the guy. We was sending command guy in Nuya. I send ya command guy in mommy because boy no sama or the bebano or the bar a begun any masintino or the guy I destroyed the first. Now, girl. Muntie the conversation. Or the accord, or no Nigel Gaisie, I'm a girl na call report to Kaneshi police station. Kaneshia police for Muntie ni ye. Nigel Gaisie is an evil person. Washada no person or good guy in any masi. Oba, Bemba, or boyfriend, any wakoda. Now, utimi a video no, edi koma ni nyonku Bemba. Now all circulate. Who you about who is obenya? Bema waru we are seeing mana. Nigel Gaisie is one waru. Because I know a lot of his girlfriends. He's not going to marry you. Send me so for back on so no da. Just want to be him star so nasty. So nasty. So nasty. Mama girl where you know. Great. Na police for no say and yet trap and no ya and never we no. Also, my girl, na call police station, na call report. Say, and call for Bahababu. He went there to question the girl. So, who? Adia we are why but you say, Bibi, dear children, any. And she confessed. She confessed. Now, who we are, Nigel Gaisie. What's the point? These 2 weeks, you see what I'm going to do to you.
You see what I'm going to do to you. We say, you're recording actually. A or a girlfriend to Nigel Gaisie, software friend a kakra kweku. Na kwanya baba wana fast wa dada abranti ene se omra ni fie na oni ni ndim komobi na omma ni sika. Ekuwi asese se oni no enya nkutahudie. Nkutahudie no ene video fast the record abranti naked. Naked.
We can't show it.
Yeah, very bad.
We can't show it. It's so disgusting for someone even to do that. Etimi eseni guy no naked pictures. Eddie Comma. Also, you ever show girlfriends be naked pictures for you to see. Who blame the fool. You are so stupid. What do you ever think these 2 weeks? What will happen to you, Nigel Gaisie? What you are so nasty. Now we already did war. You will see what will happen. I dear my these 2 weeks. Also, wajimi. Now, you know your punishment. Opia will you soon yankupon Eddie Bunipa Kwasia, life. You will get your punishment too. Don't think, say, and now we are powerful because we are deceiving people. In the name of God, that same God will punish you for all the things you have done to mankind.
For all the things you have done to mankind. Komoi Ababawe on a girlfriend, on a boyfriend or AD. Take a listen to him.
Nigel. Only friend the money pa the way. And I miss me in whom the Panama. The new boy, and I don't come again. I didn't get a face. And I make planning something away. I catch me. Many are so fun to me whole life. I know how many streets. It means now, dear, or on yet, but if you because I'm a man once, we save your life. How could send you baby, none of Juma, or any people and ask your mom would you do a boom way. You are what myself. And then no matter what, extra more, dear, not quite, Yamin, because someone I mean, you won't see us for. And you know, by and by, as a loyalty, a banner, may and for him to keep quiet. Because also we are so funny. We be doing nothing. We do not open ma. We do ma. mom wants to be. So who started ministry? No being so tall, sir. Any fun? What I say? Into the video I did was Monica Terry. And I miss me in whom the Panama. Me near Mupo and I Nigel Gaisie doing better. And I make plan and send me away. I catch me. Many are so fun to me whole life. I know how ministry is. It's meant now, dear, or on yet, but it will be because I'm a man once to be a reality or save your life. How could say you don't baby, none of Juma or any pig and ask your mom would you need to know. A bone wine. That's my thing. Then no matter what, extra mile, dear, Macqua, Yamin, because someone I mean, you won't see us for. And you know, Bamba as a loyalty, a banner, may and may for him to keep quiet. Because also we so for you, we be doing nothing. We do not open my, we do my, our mom wants to be. So who started ministry? No being so tall, sir. Any fun? What I say? It's the video I did was.
Great, welcome back. Ababawe ene boyfriend ene AD Sankomo. Ye bani abekire nkomo na nkasem de no mo pakire. Ken, de yetie ye record na Ababawe one Nura AD.
Oh, text messages.
Yes, text message I nkomo na omudie.
What happened was that girlie ni boyfriend ni osofo kakra no. Ena odada na se ombra ni fie because she's been paid, Obano has been paid by Niger to set the guy up and destroy him so that on fan information and go outside. I have that conversation too. I am saying, time Wednesday, on the full on Nigel Gaisie. We hear conversation on any WhatsApp messages. How are you doing? I'm good, but thinking about, if I didn't give Kakra the chance, I couldn't have gotten that information. Yes. But the way Papa said in front of all of you that he has slept with me, it made me feel very bad. I won't lie to you. Sweetheart, I still respect you, adore you, and I don't even think about it. We are all the same. I never wish to date any of you. No one is 100% clean. I can't if I can if I want to. I can if I want to. This is
Okansemo.
Yeah. Osofuru. So Montio Nigel Gaisie o sorry Akufuado odina ye twapia ono ni bedu kobi ena saa ousu agye no ya omo ye asofu bi a wo mako meeting say Akufuado ne kan Agyapong na ombayi omo ho adwuma 2020 but monima guase enya adwuma ohunti you see say oye very evil na we kura de o che obinim
bad
o hwe we sani oye na o che obinim because obinim de nyina ye hu naked pictures bia wo
one setting your software no to that extent.
Yes, but we die na we ono obuma ema and woji omu sika di so obeware wo and he doesn't marry them but o yiri to taifa okọ Gambia koji aduro no a e ka se mo ne yiri na for some time ti okọ ha ke ofori fie wo eyi ha opongno 3 bedrooms na ne man there why become a power why are they nice why are they very well
Jema hona no all ka che ke furu say MPP for tata no say then
I will realize MPP for ne tata no Mr. Kofori oboa MPP bi antata ne dura wo koji wo Gambia chese mo ne yire na ene watu afirifie ene wode kotena ne achemota sorry fie o de mattress se ho owie no obeka che so ya obeha wo fie o ye nice person but don't believe him o nye papa o dada lawyer bi so be wanu gini sika and then a lawyer ni ja sorry no Nigel, come and tell us because Wednesday I'll tell Ghanaians how a lawyer no ejawo e madu do a waji wo musika di a wan waro God will punish you. You mark it on the wall. Also your bema wadru so face me. Now be who revelations am dey ba. We are so filthy. Very filthy guy. Now who sorry ya. Look at this guy. What the president asem na obi na asori for no. Ti say ne abo abi ka che o say Ghana ha wo mu amobo pa ye asori for. And I am panso. Because when you get idiot like Nigel Gaisie, now what you na or can some na enkofo tie e kona sorry a. It's so sad. Yeah, sad. What do you say? And then we do see a full topic on Nigel Gaisie on Wednesday. The next one that I'm coming up with is Cecilia Marfo. Cecilia Marfo, MC yawa pram in TNE. That girl, that lady, were evil. Na ni neighbors yina wabo mu before demon whatever. Chese or the sorry willy authority in the area nobody can talk about Cecilia Marfo. Road yina wa block no. Wa block road a walk the area ho yina because we say oh a police for so pa do baby ya anam ho someone go to two ne dan wo kwan no mu a mo a police for na mo ti wa mo gigi no so otimi block kwan say
obi anko ma na what the containers in sisi kwan no ho sa. I've asked the MC to go there tomorrow and check because it's under pram constituency. What you say? Now, if you are obi die we see one chance or so ye healing. Just say uba wo sika obetua wo kɔ ha wo ni sika obetua ye do kɔ abandoned building no kra nya ne dia obi dia na toilet kra ni ho so disgusting we're so filthy I have a video what trap boys or so penisim no I didn't say where you small no so where you can say is it sorry no way no sorry Enna Cecilia Marfo what has become of Ghanaians? A 5-year-old boy or mali wuye because also healing or yari instead say the parents didn't back hospital no na come fake Cecilia Marfo or to a 5-year-old boy she has to be arrested woman coffee or no one the type of people are a go and meriwa wa form meriwaning kokura 70 going woman is slaves. How wicked can you be, Obabesia? How wicked can you be? Or a bad time zoo.
What? Now Ghana, Jesus Christ. I don't know what is wrong with Ghanaians. Black people. I say religion is the opium of the masses by Karl Marx.
Opium.
Oh. One good uncompleted. One cut toilet and one to two form. What kind of way is this? So disgusting. Cecilia Marfo, when I now umpire for deliverance, said me umpire because the truth and the God in me is greater than yours. You the fake woman. Your time. Me say me more time. Me no be dealing until I create awareness in this country for Ghanaians to take their destiny into their own hands and work hard and stop relying on these fake pastors. What has become of Ghanaians? Now then I way by. Why? Say or buy what or voice power. Yehu yani say or the asoria become. Nani never speakers. EPA should go there and check.
Environmental Protection Agency.
Yeah, EPA go and check. Obiya sinifie or peace of mind. No, I didn't fake a new man. What the speakers will bought a dance here, disturbing everybody. Why? What kind of religion is that? a wo so bema penisim no wa we wo de esua no wa we de eso enra me hu se me hwe the video bi so a akwa bi ne ku se ofa ni kunachi or whatever eno so
na Titanic beach won so head down.
I don't know. I don't know.
Hey.
Enti me ma me ready. I don't care. The truth will set me free. I am creating awareness. I want Ghanaians to know say wo yiro ho na ye adwuma Yankopon ebe hira wo obetum obehwe adwuma den a waye ho, not to rely on this fake now call hwe baby omuti na omu life omu bo na mo emrewa na what the man say slaves na mo pra. Police should go there. National security to go to Cecilia Marfo's house and see what I'm saying, if it's true or not. We can't allow these things to go on in this country unchecked. Hell no. Because they will destroy society. Edna and son, a fine gentleman came to me. Say, Osofubi. Say, my man and yati because Osofubi. Okobompa on or so they or washing nice in the feet. Now the anointing oil say what they be a bompire man. We got $10,000 no tia. And they won't $10,000. Yeah, $10,000 a month. And we tia. Woman in also to Trasaku phase 1. Yeah, $10,000. No mutia. Now who pay Nyamia Goi? Nyame oni mo wakuma no mu bi. Wo bompaye wo de bompaye kire nyame ya wontie. And why should empire cost you $10,000? Why? What do you want to see? Obi a watimi aye adwuma month, utimi tua $10,000 to Osofu. Meaning you spend $120,000? You are mad and sick. Mad and sick. Look at the universities they have. Look at the cars they ride in. Look at schools of Mako. Can't you take your child to a good school by using that $10,000? Hey, let me pray for you. Not what now. You're a fool. Don't pay that money again. Or that be there. Who never see can ye juma. Now so be a woman university. That's how you start life. And yes, I'm a now the musika. Eko me mass of what can't me say what's it? Was it honorable $10,000 a month? $10,000
of money.
Yes, because only oil company be and the year juma.
Empire kekebe boamano.
Yes.
Ken, check a message real quick when I say the Ebony's death must be investigated. Nigel Gaisie said Ebony would die, and it really came to pass.
Obekwa setting up. You see,
yeah.
Obe setting up. Prophecy omu ye nyina no. They will orchestrate it to make sure say adiana bem. Media more orchestrated anya juma. From me a smart child idiot or so. I'm smarter than you, so it's not going to work. And when we investigate it, yes. Oh my, bet me the car that they be a bit see on here. A lot of things go on.
I want to say mafia so.
Yeah, and oh my, untouchable. I check
For a long time.
For a long time, fake pastors now untouchable. The genuine ones are even scared of them to talk about their issues. I am not scared. I'm telling you, look at my face. Nigel Gaisie, Cecilia Marfo, look at my face. Bedu Kobi, Obi Nim, wow, wine. I ain't scared of nobody. I will face you like it is. Because the truth will set me free. You cannot deceive public like that by using God's name. And your punishment, I preku my daughter, the Mudia, Monum Guasia Bechesa. Monum Guasia, Ebechesa. This is Cecilia Marfo. Who pay when you see car, clean it. Clean it. Now, I'm warning Agrada and Obofo now. Nobody should use my name anywhere.
Yeah.
More fighter. You put up the fight. If you have your evidence, take it to police, take it to court, deal with it. Me just small boy. I only want the truth, but I don't want anybody to ride on my back. Hell no, it's not going to happen. What about a mistake? I will not forgive you. I'm telling you. More fighter, munyam fight. Nobody should bring my name in there. Because I'm not prepared. Mamuya Sudia. Remember tough time. Now listen, you know, say.
Yeah, but
And then on that can be walk. I saw food be but not Boachi Giant. Any
run in the mouth.
Boachi Giant, the Anusuna, a here. I repeat and leave. And he said, Boachi Giant. Were a traitor. And ex-president Rollins should tell Ghanaians if what I'm saying is not the truth. We're a traitor. Now, I must say, Rollins, I'm going to nothing. I'm going to Buachija film So now, for the past 3 days, I've been reading about Ghanaian entrepreneurs. And this is the time, those who have been sending that, I think, say, they should publish this for Ghanaians to know hard-working entrepreneurs who were displaced. One, Wabo Boachi Mattress. So who call Golden Till before, so but almost a 19 TV almost FBN Bank or something. It was for that man. All the buyer Boachi did was that, or the glass near from. That length of a, but Jimmy Brennan, not the man has built that thing. This same man, Embra, Omuye Ku Boachi Jan, thanks to you and ex-president Rollins. Obiani call UK. Otimi could be a factory ni be war Ireland. I read it. A year, Siam, how he started life. Onusu, ni Tata Brewery, Omuji. Onusu, Echo Liberia, Osako Society, Poku Transport, ran away from Ghana here and went to Cote d'Ivoire. The transportation a year, Okoye or Cote d'Ivoire, you have no idea. But these people were forced to leave this country because wo Boachija wo na kofa Rollins buy. Wo na kofa ne buy. Ebe good Ghanaian entrepreneurs a year neck. Me no kasa nyina Lebanese foreigners have taken over all the enemy call baby na me wura huye. Maroc. E Tema. Na me kohwe wo mo yibi. Me do one India for as a Pakistan for me a cash. The whole street in India, they're buying everything because Ghanaian businesses are folding. Why? What kind of country? Because of Ubuachija. Wicked man like you, a traitor like you. What's happening now? A peaceful country. Now you want to run your mouth? Try it.
And foment trouble.
Obias now also who crowd I said condominium. I said condominium, but I'm not answer mono. Yes, I mistake. Yeah, me catch you. Ekufuado is not like Limano. Ekufuado, one year Liman. Ekufuado, 1 year Ekufu. So Janino. Now, Mama did some yawa. Opa try. Remember Ghana of who you are, what you did in UK against South African blacks. God bless all of you.